You know what? At the age of 21 and 20 years of my existence, finally I asked myself, ano yung pinaka-biggest and profitable investment na nagawa ko so far sa life ko? First of all, yung mga thought ko, I thought, yung mga stock market, ganyan, Bitcoin, ganyan, savings, ganyan, bumili ng mga gamit or what. I thought yun yung biggest investment ko. But as I reflect, may malaking profit for me, not just monetarily, but also as a whole. And say the biggest investment is my self-investment, yung investment ko sa sarili ko. And this video, I'm gonna talk about why self-investment is the most important, huge, and profitable investment you could ever spend sa sarili mo. Masyadong broad ang topic na to, but I'm just gonna say based sa experience ko and how it can help you. For example, first, you don't need any money naman talaga, like big amount of money to invest in yourself. What I did before is nag-invest muna ako first to heal my own trauma. Not to totally heal it because you cannot heal it fully. Walang ganun, I do believe that we are open to progress and heal ourselves step by step or hand to hand, should I say. But you cannot fully heal it. So first na ginawa ko, is I try to talk with myself. And what I did was shadow work, putting shadow work. So shadow work is it's like a journaling. You ask questions sa sarili mo. For example, like me, I was so insecure of my nature, my physical, anything about physical, I'm so insecure about that. About my skin color, anything about that, I'm so insecure of myself. So what I did is I talk about myself and I know myself right now. I know that I cannot present myself fully in front of people or to do something that I really wanted to do if I'm not confident or not naman well off, but parang presentable tingnan. So what I did is, first, I had a lot of acne before. Search ako ng mga knowledge kanyan on how to ease acne, how I can fight acne, how can I reduce my impurities and insecurities, all of that. We as human beings kasi, we cannot fully say naman na, I don't need a result na mapapasabing I healed myself. No. We are logical thinker. Kailangan muna natin makita yung outcome ng isang bagay para masabi natin na we've done something na talagang nag-improve sa life natin or parang merong magandang result, in short, ganun. So what I did is I first settle myself muna. I change the way I dress before, the way I talk, ganyan. Nag-research din ako, nanood ako ng mga videos sa YouTube, how to talk properly, how I can improve my manners, basic and ethical manners on how to talk and deal with people, ganun. Marami ka matutunan, when you start seeking or asking yourself what you really needed. In my case, super need ko din ng pera kasi yun nga, that time, yung tatay ko is nagkakasakit na. My father is, suffering from something and eventually he died last 2022 and it was the most tragic and depressing moment ever in my life. And that experience itself, it awakes me to change something in my life. To settle sa isang bagay na kailangan ko munang i-let go as of the moment kasi parang may mas need ko na pagtuunan ng attention and effort. So what I did is I search, ganyan, nanood ako sa YouTube, ganyan, how to improve my skills, how to earn money, ganyan, by just working online. Kahit hindi ka pa-graduate, you can work, ganyan. Push me to fullest potential, which is yun, that's what I do now for a living. And other than, that's what I said, hindi mo kailangan ng malaking pera to invest in yourself. Even by investing sa knowledge lang, seeking knowledge, as long as you are willing to learn it, talagang mag-i-improve ang life mo. So, that's the number one tip, is invest in your knowledge. Talk with yourself. Ano yung mga kailangan mong i-work out sa sarili mo, If you needed to work out on your body, go work out. If you needed to work out your skills, kailangan mo improve yung speaking skills mo, ganyan, technical skills, how to do documents, ganyan. Kailangan mong isik kung ano yung need mo as of the moment. So, dapat yung need na yun, is timely, at the same time, it can benefit you. Investment, na ginawa ko sa sarili ko is my mindset investment. And I know, kailangan muna ng knowledge na yun to change my mindset. What I did was, I start practicing how my future or the ideal version of myself will do. For example, yung gusto ko na version ng sarili ko in the future. Version ng sarili natin super ideal natin, we can act on it right now. For example, yung version ng sarili ko is emotionally intelligent. So, I invested sa mga books. Ganyan, bumili ako ng books, how to win friends, something, The Mountain is You, Atomic Habits, everything that I needed to do practically to work on myself, not just on physical aspect as what I have said before, but in my mindset, the way I think, I reprogram my mind that my past traumatic experience, which is marami kong mga past traumatic experience, is not my reality. I experienced it for the past 2 decades, but it's not my reality. I have my own life and I can change it for the better if I want to. Like, fake it till you make it. Act as if you already have it. For example, I really wanted to be a famous content creator, right? So I needed to act as that famous content creator, to speak in front of you, to speak in front of camera, and to talk about and voice out my thoughts freely, at the same time being mindful on what information I am relying to you. Parang doing your purpose, hindi ka na mag-wait na mangyari yung mga ganong bagay, but you are working on it or acting on it right now. You are doing it right now. So you need to reprogram your mind that, yes, yung version ng sarili ko before is ganyan-ganyan, may mga past traumatic experience, but I am different now. I can change myself. I am a new person, and I have the free will to change myself right now. The past version of myself is not my current self or my future self. I can change what it has been before. It is different right now, so I can do it. Parang ganun yung mindset mo, te. Change your mind that everything is possible regardless of what you experienced before. The last investment is, yes, maybe monetary na ito siya. So, after I've done all of this and I am aware na parang super napagod ako while working that, gusto ko talagang i-apply yung life-work balance. Kailangan balance lang yung work and yung lifestyle na gusto mo talagang, to enjoy life, in short. So, you need to save up money, ganyan, to do the things kahit spontaneous man lang paminsan-minsan. Like, treat yourself, in short. So, what I did is, I tried to experience this. Get out of the environment that I used to know. Doon kasi, sa kung saan ako nakatira, sa hometown ko, is hindi gaano normal yung mga high-rise building like this. Hindi siya gaano ka-normal. So, sa akin na part ko, parang nai-ignorante ako or hindi ko alam kung ano yung gagawin ko when I'm in this place. So what I'm doing right now, is to normalize myself, like practice myself, to belong myself. And because the version of myself, yun talaga yung version ng sarili ko. Like, yun talaga siya. That's what I'm talking about, like, act as if you already have it. Like, do not wait for it, but act right now. I know na it takes a lot of money and sacrifices to be that person. So that's why sinasabi ko na save up money. If you're earning right now, please tumabi ka kahit papaano man lang din na align dun sa version ng sarili mo. At the same time, you are enjoying it. Like traveling, ganyan-ganyan. Shopping, treating yourself something. And I'm gonna be honest, ngayon ko palang nabili yung shoes na lagpas 2,000 pesos in my whole life, even though I'm earning like around a year or 2 years in a row na. Most of my shoes is sponsored by brand, ganyan, libre lang din yun, or even though expensive, and some sort of gifts, ganyan-ganyan. So now pa lang in my own pocket, ngayon ko pa lang siya nabili. And yun yung sinasabi ko, you need to reprogram your subconscious na you deserve yung mga ganon. Like, hindi ka dapat magkuripot din sa sarili mo, kasi you deserve it. You've worked hard for it. Yes, you are meeting your responsibilities. Like, ginagawa mo yan para i-meet yung mga responsibilities mo, to be accountable on something. Like for me, for example, I'm a breadwinner, di ba? So my family relies on me. Dapat hindi ko makalimutan, I also have responsibilities sa sarili ko to treat myself, to enjoy life for myself. I really need talaga first muna, is to invest sa knowledge, I promise you, knowledge will take you far, far away. Far, far away. Hindi promise, but once you take it seriously, like, yung parang mapapasabi ka na lang na I'm done playing this role. Itong tragic life na meron ako, I'm done doing this. I deserve a good life. That's when your life change for the better. There's always a room for you, Even me, I never thought that I've come this far. 21 years old, I've come this far. And I can't even imagine, promise, I can't even imagine, but isa sa mga na-realize ko na there's always room for all of us. It's just, it depends on us. If we find that room, we fit in that room, or we make a room for us. Like tayo mismo yung magbi-build ng room na yun sa sarili natin without needing the validation, or should I say yung parang go signal ng ibang tao. You're just doing it for your own because you can and you're capable of doing that. So again, if you want to start your self-love journey, please invest in yourself. That's your biggest investment, na hindi lang monetarily or parang may profit ka lang ganyan-ganyan, 5,000 ganyan, you earn something note. Once you heal yourself fully, forever mo na yan dala-dala. Like, it is something that other people can take away from you. Yung knowledge mo, how you present yourself, yung values mo sa life, yung morals mo in life, everything that is intangible at the same time valuable sa iyo, something that no one can take it away from you. Forever mo yan dala and it will benefit you, promise, Kasi kahit gaano ka pa kayaman, or what, you can't buy manners. Isa yun sa mga naging observe ko, you can't buy manners. So, settle yourself first, heal yourself first, talk with your trauma, ask yourself what you really wanted to do, what you need right now. Be real and face your shadows, face yourself. Because there's always room for you, paulit-ulit, but we are all capable, is promise, regardless of what you've experienced before, kahit ano pa yan traumatic experience, we are all deserving of good life. And you must remember that you are capable of everything. I promise. Our life is not settled. It's not a settled thing. We can change it for the better if you want to. And yeah, it's up to you if you wanted to. So that's the message of this video. And yeah, again, see you in the next video. Take care as always, mga te, and keep shining your light. Mabuhay!